Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add shapes on CapCut PC in seconds. So if you're going to add in another colored shape, you can just go to background and select the white one, and then go to mask and then select the shape you want, and then you can kind of change it in adjustments like the colors and curves here. I think like you do it in like the colored ones. I'm not really quite sure how you can do it. Oh, like that probably. I'm not the best at using this, but you can kind of like play around. So you can kind of change the colors. Maybe you want it to be a blue heart or a green heart. I don't know. It's totally up to you what color you want, of course. You can also use the background colors from here if you don't want to like think about it. Or you can just add in like a black background if you just want a black shape. To add like this one here, I'm just going to go back to video, go to mask, and I'm going to select the star shape one. Oops. And then I'm going to make it smaller than that. And yeah, it's totally up to you what you want to do with it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.